The 2027 Kia Sorento is back, proving that the modern SUV is entering a bold new era. With a striking redesign, advanced technology, and enhanced performance, the latest Sorento is designed to stand out in every way, whether driving around town or on long road trips. From first glance, the 2027 Sorento's front design immediately catches the eye. The wide grille, now featuring vertical chrome slats, gives the SUV a more premium and confident look. It looks both aggressive and elegant. Sharp LED headlights combined with futuristic daytime running lights create a high-tech signature that instantly makes this SUV instantly recognizable on the road. The hood features strong, sculpted lines that add depth and character, while the lower bumper design improves airflow and gives the vehicle a sportier appearance. Turning to the side, the Sorento exhibits a clean and balanced silhouette. The body lines are smooth yet purposeful, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when stationary. A strong character line stretches from the front fenders to the rear, emphasizing stability and length. The slightly extended wheelbase not only enhances road presence, but also creates better cabin space for passengers. This side profile perfectly blends sophistication with everyday usability. At the rear, the 2027 Sorento continues its futuristic theme with a full-width LED light bar that stretches along the tailgate. This lighting design not only improves visibility, but also creates a strong visual identity, especially at night. The rear bumper is clean and minimalist, with subtle sporty elements that add character without being overpowering. An integrated roof spoiler improves aerodynamics while giving the SUV a more dynamic appearance. Overall, the rear design feels refined, balanced, and distinctly modern. This side profile perfectly blends sophistication. The interior of the 2027 Kia Sorento is modern and premium, with a large digital display that integrates the dashboard and infotainment system. The minimalist dashboard design, combined with high-quality materials and ambient lighting, creates a luxurious feel. The cabin features a 3-row configuration, offering ample space and maximum comfort for all passengers. Features like ventilated seats, wireless connectivity, and numerous USB ports. Under the hood, the new Sorento is expected to offer a variety of powertrain options designed to meet different driving needs. From responsive turbocharged engines to more efficient hybrid variants, the SUV focuses on delivering both performance and fuel economy. Acceleration is expected to be smooth and controlled, making it comfortable for everyday driving while still offering enough power for highway travel. The 2027 Kia Sorento is more than just a redesign, it's a complete evolution. With a bold exterior, refined details, and advanced performance, it sets a new standard in the midsize SUV segment. This is a vehicle designed for the future, combining style, comfort, and practicality in one impressive package. Whether you value design, technology, or everyday usability, the new Sorento delivers.